everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is your natural nail guru, Dati, and today we have a super fun video swatching out O.P.I's 2023 spring collection, me, myself, and O.P.I. It has been way too long since I've done a swatch video, and in case you forgot, we're gonna go ahead and run through what I look for and what you can expect to get from this video. 3 things that I look for when I'm doing swatches of a collection. First is going to be the consistency of the polish. I want to know whether or not it is too thin, too thick, and essentially if there's any issue with the consistency that's gonna make it a little bit tougher on me to get a really nice clean polish on my client's nails. The second thing that I'm looking for is coverage. Am I getting the coverage that I expect within 2 coats, or are we needing to do a little extra to make it happen? And third, and probably the most important, is whether or not we're getting a very good match between the gel polish in the collection and the regular nail lacquer in the collection. My clients love their hands and feet matching, and I can't tell you how many times I buy collections where hands and feet is not consistent and my clients won't use them. So I definitely want to see how good we got this match on this collection. Before we get into the swatching, if you are not subscribed already and you want to be up to date with the most thorough nail product reviews and all of the best tips that are going to help improve the health of your natural nails as well as get you the longest lasting manicure, you know what to do. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification so you don't miss the videos, and make sure you share with your nail professional friends, with your DIY friends, anyone who wants to do better with their nails. This channel is going to help them out. So let's not waste any more time and get to these swatches. We are kicking this swatch off with Pink in Bio. Super, super pretty. This one definitely gives me Let's Be Friends vibes. It is a pale whitish pink. Pretty good coverage on the first coat. It is definitely a full coverage color. Let's get a second coat on there and check that out. And here we go, 2 coats, definitely a full coverage color, really, really pretty, super pale pink. I love it. The ladies will love this one. Let's check out the next one. Next up is I Meta My Soulmate. Oh, this one's definitely a pearlescent color, kind of like a baby pink. O.P.I has really been into the shimmery and pearlescent colors pretty much all last year. There we go. A really soft color. It's super cute. This is just 1 coat, but still really good coverage. Let's get a second coat on there and see what that looks like. And here you are, 2 coats. The second coat definitely brings up the color a little bit more. It is a really cute, almost like a purpley pink, maybe like a baby pink. Super cute. Let's check out the next one. Up next, we have Switch to Portrait Mode. This one's also a pearlescent, kind of like a champagne peachy nude. Really soft color, kind of like the pink one. It has really soft but good coverage on the first coat. Let's get a second coat on here. And here is your second coat. Really cute soft color, full coverage. It's a cutie. Let's move on to the next. All right, now we're gonna be swatching Data Peach. These names get so clever sometimes. Okay, also another kind of pearlescent color. A little coral. Yeah, definitely like a coral pink, more on the pink side, I would say. And it's looking, as far as consistency and coverage, the same as the last 2 colors. A soft color, but still pretty good coverage just on the first coat alone. So let's check it out with 2 coats. And here is your second coat. Really cute color. I like the vibrance, good coverage. Let's check out the next one. Ooh, next up we have Spring Break the Internet. Well, this one's a glittery polish, very fine glitter, kind of like a silver glitter. See if you could see it really good in there. Let's get this one swatched. First coat is definitely looking a little jelly-like, a little sheer, I guess you could say. It is super cute. I mean, the sparkliness in it is very fine, delicate, really cute. Definitely softens up this hot pink tone. Let's check it out with 2 coats. So here is your second coat. It's still a little jelly-like, but should really be full coverage. You shouldn't really get too much sheerness out of there, although you can totally do a 3rd coat. And this would probably look really cute on top of another color. Really, really cute. Let's check out the next one. Next up, we have Blinded by the Ring Light. A really cute soft yellow looks like. Let's check it out. Yeah, definitely a nice soft pale yellow. This is totally a spring yellow. Let's swatch it up. Ooh, I love the consistency and coverage and the pigmentation of this yellow. Usually, in my experience, I find soft yellows to be a little bit on the sheer side sometimes, or just really thick in consistency. But this one is a nice happy medium. That's just 1 coat. It's pretty good coverage for a soft yellow on just 1 coat. Let's check it out with 2 coats. And here we go, 2 coats. This one is really, really cute. It's a soft yellow, but still really bright. Not so pale. I was thinking it was too similar, like One Cheek Chic, but no way. Definitely a little more intense on the yellow, but still soft. Ooh, love it. I feel like this one will be popular for spring in the shop. Okay, let's check out the next one. Ooh, we got a fun orange Silicone Valley Girl. Let's check this. Ooh, that is a fun orange. Definitely not like the safety cone orange. A little more, I don't know, a little more creamy, right? Would that be a good description? That is really cute. Definitely not like an orange. Super cute. Great coverage on just 1 coat. Look at that. That's a clear nail that I put it on, and you can't even see the shadow of my finger underneath. Super cute. Let's get a 2nd coat on this. And here you have it, 2 coats. Great coverage, great consistency. Definitely a really cute orange. We love color in the shop, and definitely have a feeling clients are gonna like this one. Okay, let's check out the next one. All right, this one you can totally tell it's shimmery or glittery. Left Your Texts on Red. Let's check it out. Oh, it's kind of like the hot pink one. Looks a little jelly-like. Let's see. Okay. The color's pretty deep, but not as sheer. I guess a little jelly-like. And it has a really nice sparkle. Definitely not a true red. Maybe a little red-orange. I think the sparkle's actually pink in there. Let's get a 2nd coat and check that out. Okay, so here you go, 2nd coat. Definitely a little bit, oh, you can kind of see it there, a little bit of like a pink shimmer with the red, which is really cute because it gives it just that off color that you just always need. Really, really cute. And probably will look really nice as a top coat on a solid color, maybe another red. Let's check out the next one. Next on the swatch list, Clear Your Cache. Looking like a cute bright green, a little soft. Let's see. Ooh. Definitely a cute green. Really, really pretty. It looks a little bit lighter on the camera. I mean, a little bit brighter on the camera than it actually is. It's bright, but it's still a soft green. Oh yeah, you can see it much better there. Really, really cute color. I'm loving this. Let's get a 2nd coat and check that out. So here we have it, 2 coats. Don't mind the little lint. I cured it on the 2nd coat, didn't realize. But still a really, really cute green. And like I said, we love color in the shop, so I have a feeling this one will definitely be used quite a few times this spring season. All right, let's check out the next one. Everybody loves a good blue. NF Tease Me. NF Tease Me. Let's check this one out. Nice baby blue. Looks to be a full coverage color. Definitely a full coverage color. Look at how it goes on just on that 1st coat. Oh yes. Super cute blue. Let's get a second coat on here. And here you have it, 2 coats, super cute, definitely a color the ladies will love. Let's check out the next one. Ooh, we got purple vibes on this one. This one is incognito mode. Let's swatch you up. Definitely full coverage, nice purple, not too dark or light. Good coverage on the first coat. Cute purple. Let's get a second coat on here. And here you have it. This is 2 coats, full coverage, really cute purple. Nice and simple. We got one more color. Let's check it out. This one is I Sold My Crypto, and as you could tell by the bottle, will likely be a shimmery color. Let's check it out. Yeah, definitely glittery, just like the red and that hot pink glitter. Definitely similar glitter. All right, you have a jelly-like consistency, a little bit sheer. This one's actually really, really cute. Still with that kind of like a pink glitter, I think, is in here, pink and silver. I don't know, but it looks really cute. Let's get a second coat on there. And here we have it, 2 coats. This one's a super cute purple. Would look really cute as an accent nail, full manicure, and definitely a coat over any purple shade will definitely make this glitter pop. Really, really cute. All right. We're done with the swatches, but we need to check to see whether or not these babies match their toes. So one moment. So here we have all of the gel polish swatches that we just did paired up with their regular polish swatch. I love showing this in the swatch videos because it's definitely something you don't usually see. And it really is frustrating when you spend money on products that are supposed to match and you get them and they don't really match. Although O.P.I has done such a great job with matches over the years, they've definitely improved, and I would say 9 times out of 10, there is as close of a match as you're gonna get. Let's take a closer look at the matches for this collection. So here is our closer look, and you can see the tones of color are really, really close in match. I do notice for every pearlescent color like these, the regular polish is never the same. How would you call it? Like the texture, consistency of like the glitter. It doesn't show it the same way. These the regular polish tends to be just like a very, very fine glitter, whereas the gel you really see the streaking and it looks almost like a pearl, like mother of pearl. So I do notice that that's a little bit different every time, but the tone color is still pretty close, so not too noticeable. And you can see over here, all these colors have a really, really nice match. Out of the whole collection, I would say this one is definitely the one that is the most different because the regular polish does not look at all the same as the gel. The gel is definitely much more intense in the purple, and the toes are way sheer. You could go for a 3rd coat on the toes. Just make sure if you are doing 3 coats anytime with regular polish that you're giving a little extra time for that 2nd coat to dry before applying a 3rd. That way you don't have any accidents and it doesn't take too much longer to dry. But overall, great collection, great match. So overall, the collection did really good. Consistency is super on point. There's no color that shows any issue in polishing. It should be a breeze. The overall coverage looks really good. A couple of the colors might be a little bit soft, but they don't look like they're intended to be very intense colors. And putting a 3rd coat can definitely help you out, or putting a solid color underneath will definitely help make those shimmery colors pop a little bit more. And when it comes to the matching between hands and feet, O.P.I totally nailed it with this collection. You have a good consistent match of all the colors. The tones are almost exact, small, little tiny differences, but really nothing that's gonna be drastically noticeable. So my clients are definitely gonna be happy. And if you are someone that likes your hands and feet matching 100%, O.P.I is definitely gonna come through for you with this collection. Now, overall cohesiveness of the collection, I say I struggled a little bit with. At first, it kind of looked to me like it was a little bit out of place with the pearl and the shimmer, and then pastels with some intense color. It kind of looked like maybe they had some extra shimmeries from last year that they never used and kind of threw in here. But it does say spring. I wanted to do my nails with these colors, so I had a little bit of a hard time figuring out how I wanted to incorporate a good amount of these colors and not just stick to one or two. So I ended up going with something sheer, got inspired from some cute nail art I saw on Instagram, and sheer is super hot this year. But I think with what I did and incorporating the different colors in O.P.I, it really came to be a super cute and unique manicure. And what better way to get creative than with a collection that is me, myself, and O.P.I. So if you have this collection out there and you have thought of really fun, creative ways of getting all of these colors together and doing something really out there, I would love to see it. Comment down below, send me a DM on IG. I'd love to see how creative people have gotten with this collection. So that is it for today. If you want to see more swatch videos on other collections like the D&D Sheer collection or Jelicious Spring collection, definitely make sure you are following me on IG. I will be doing some awesome reels, swatching those out and showing you the match. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.